Hi everyone, I'm Federica and welcome back to As Good As We Can channel. Today I am in a good company. This is my planetary mixer, it's called Gilda, and we will cook together a very nice cake. I want to say, 1 week ago my husband asked me, can you make the grandma duck cake? And I thought, what is that? And then, yeah, grandma duck cake, Snow White cake, the cake with the apple and cinnamon. I had apple pie, and he said, yes, I want an apple pie, can you make it please? And I called my sister, we started to speak about some recipe, and then we made our own recipe. So, if you like cinnamon or apple, then you are in the right place. It's just 3 steps, easy. It's 1 step, make the dough. Second step, make the filling. And the third step, decorate and cook it. So, if you want, it's time to cook. Okay guys, all the ingredients are ready. We just have to put the ingredients in the mixer and start to make our dough. If you have a planetary mixer, the good attachment is this one, is the leaf. Okay, so let's insert it and ready. We will start with the flour and sift it first, then the sugar. Brown sugar. I prefer the brown sugar because I like the aroma, the good smell of, I don't know, just a good smell. And the butter. You have to cut the butter in pieces and it should be really cold. Before to start, it's really important that you must reach a sandy consistency. So you have to use your planetary mixer in a low speed until you see like that the butter mixes so good with the flour that you will see like sand. But I will show you. Let's start. Okay, after the flour, the sugar and the butter, we just have to add the last ingredient, that is water. Like the butter, the water should be cold. When we will add the water, you will see that the dough will start immediately to transform, and it's really like maybe 1 minute, very fast. So we will do that together and you will see. So when you put the water inside, after 1 minute, 1.5, you can see that the dough combine. Okay, we will pull it off now. As you can see, it's ready. I like to use this tool because it's very useful to mix and move the dough. I suggest you. You have to control the butter. You don't have to see the butter. You should be a really nice mix. Okay. Just mix 1 second and your dough is ready. Now we will put it inside a kitchen film and we will put in the refrigerator for at least 4 hours. I prefer to leave it for one entire night. Let's put this in the refrigerator and we will start soon with the filling. Okay guys, step number 2, let's make the filling. So here the apples, and we have to put the half a lemon squeeze to prevent that the apples become darker. So let's mix a bit. Try to cut the apples as even as you can. Sugar, brown sugar. Oh, so good. After the sugar, let's add the flour and the melted butter. And mix it good. Perfect. Now the superstar, the cinnamon. I don't want to give you the amount of cinnamon. Depends on you. For example, I love cinnamon and I like to put a lot of cinnamon inside. So if you like a lot of cinnamon, then you're my friend and do it. If you don't like it so much, just a little bit. So when you start with a little bit and then mix, so you can see that the apples start to begin a bit darker, brown, because of the cinnamon. I love this smell. I absolutely love it. Always use cinnamon, even in the coffee. Just a little bit more. Okay, stop. I think we are ready. We just have to let it rest for 30 minutes, 40 minutes covered. And in 40 minutes, we will be ready to take off from the refrigerator our dough, take our filling, make it together and cook the cake. Part 3, so let's prepare the pan. I use this that is really light, and I also use it for ricotta cheesecake that you will see in the next videos. So you only need butter and flour. I'll show you how to do it. Okay, as you can see, it's completely covered by the butter, so pay attention in this phase. And then we will put a little bit of flour inside and then start to... It's easy. Remove the excess. Done. It's time to take the dough from the refrigerator and the filling that is just here. The dough is ready. We just need a rolling pin and some flour to put it on the table. And let's start working. Okay, finally we made it. Snow White cake, Grandma Duck cake, or simply As Good As We Can cake. I'm very happy that you follow until here, and it's time to put the cake in the oven. Cook it for 50 minutes at 170 degrees static oven, and when you will try the recipe for the first time, just check around 49 minutes that everything is okay. It's time! Let's go! Now it's time to turn the cake, so you will need a nice plate, another one to help you turn the cake, and a lot of luck. So put the plate on the cake and 1, 2, 3. Almost done. Yes. And again. 1, 2, 3. Perfect. The cake is ready, and I am ready to have my piece of As Good As We Can apple pie. I hope you enjoyed the recipe, and remember to subscribe to our channel As Good As We Can. Remember that we also have an Instagram page and Facebook, so you can find us everywhere. Feel free to send us a message, ask us a question. We are always happy to be there for you. So, Martina, baby, get ready. Next time is your turn. Ciao ragazzi, grazie, ciao!